How to add multiple accounts on Threads. So first of all, let's open up our App Store and make sure that the Threads app is fully updated to the last version so you can get all the new features. Alright, next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go back to my screen and I'm gonna just enter the Threads app, and this is actually the Threads interface. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see right here the profile icon. Alright, next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click the two lines at the top right above the profile icon, and here you will see switch profiles or log out. Let's log out for a second. Okay, and as you can see right here, log in with the original account or switch account. So I'm gonna just click switch account right here, and here you will see multiple accounts that you have on your Threads. So I'm gonna just click the last thing, which is log in with another Instagram account, and I'm gonna just click on it. I'm gonna add the username, email or mobile number and the password for this another account. This way you will enter the account that you added, and you're gonna switch back and forth to the other accounts, and it will be saved right here, and you're gonna just directly be able to enter the account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.